Hi, today I'm showing you how to change your GPU. We will talk about important tips, and before we go into the physical installation, we need to prepare. Okay guys, before we physically upgrade our GPU, we need to prepare something. Go to Google and we will install DDU. Google for it, or I put you the link in the description. And if you're downloading DDU, I did it already. You can also download already the new drivers for your new graphic cards. Here I will change the GPU from an NVIDIA card to an AMD card. Doesn't matter what you do, even if you do vice versa, or if it was, let's say, NVIDIA and it's again NVIDIA, I recommend doing the following steps. Get DDU and the latest drivers, okay? And now we will reboot the system into the safe mode. For this, we need to start here making a restart, and while we're doing a restart, I need to press down the shift button the whole time, okay? And for this I need a new point of view. I see you in a second. Pressing shift and restart. While this is restarting, you're holding shift. Now this blue screen will appear. Okay, don't get confused, this is German, but you just go to problem solving, advanced options. Okay, in English it's advanced options, and then boot or start settings, and then you say here, okay, restart. So we restarting it again. The next restart will show you like this, but in English of course, and then you choosing the fourth option, which is safe mode. Okay, it could be F4. In my situation here is 4. I just press 4, and now this is booting in a safe mode. Okay. It might look different now. The resolution is not matching. Don't panic, it's normal. Now, we go to our folder. We take our download and extracting it. Here, DDU, run, extract. Okay, there it is. The application, okay? There's just, if it's your first time, just showing you some information. Okay, here, you close this. Here, we're gonna choose GPU. I have already the AMD card in, but that's not the point. Point here is to get rid of all the previous drivers we had with the old GPU to make a clean install for the new one. We'll press this. Okay, now it's cleaning all the drivers, everything. That's the best way to make it clean and ready for the new GPU. And after it's shut down, then we will go and install the new GPU. Okay. Put your PC on the table, get a screwdriver, and of course, the new GPU. Before doing anything, ground yourself. Of course, this GPU is better than this GPU, but this is just the purpose, just to show physically how it works, right? Now, I like to use a screwdriver which have a magnetic on the top. First, you need to unplug it, and here is like kind of knows something. You just push it or squeeze it and then pull, and that's it. We open up here. Okay, and this is why I like the magnetic one. Okay, that's it. Okay, you can't maybe see it. It's pretty small there, but it's actually the same like here with the RAM. With this, you just push it down. Maybe you will see it. Okay, I pushed it down and it pops up a little bit. This is a pretty thick graphic card. Anyway, let's now, after we got the screw, unplug the energy and push down this pin, we can just pull it. Boom. Okay. Now the GPU is out. This is what I pushed before. Because of the thickness of the graphic cards, it was a bit hard to see. You just grab your new graphic cards. It's obvious which side it needs to go, right? So you see the pins and you see the slot. You just align it and then push it. That's it. That's it already. The pin what I showed you is getting up and it secures It's the same concept with the RAM sticks. 2, okay? And don't forget to put back the energy consumption. Here's sometimes it can be this way or this way, but they are designed like you can't do it wrong. If it's not fit, if it's not fitting, then just turn it around, because this one here, the nose is upwards. Before the old GPU it was from the bottom, and that's it already. That's the physical installation of the GPU. And use all your opportunities. We have an open case, right? So blow out some dust. After the restart, it might look still a bit weird. No problem. We downloaded already the driver, or in my case, the software even. I would recommend always to download the software. Doesn't matter if it's the Adrenaline software of AMD or the NVIDIA app. Install your new drivers. As you can see, it is already making it right. Yeah, now we got a better resolution. Now it looks clean. This can happen, that the display is getting off, on, is flickering. It's normal. And after you install your Adrenaline app or NVIDIA app, doesn't matter, I like to check out the app for a second. If there's an update, it shouldn't be, but just to get sure, right? Sometimes I saw it still showed me an update, but yeah. And just to get sure, always, I like to check out my display settings, advanced display, and check out the refresh rate. I can't change it here. This monitor only have 60, right? But you might have a monitor which has 240 Hertz or 165, whatever. Always check if this is right. And to enhance your gaming experience, I suggest you watching the next video. I hope this video was helpful. If so, make sure to hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to don't miss future content. I appreciate that you watched the whole video. This was Taking It Easy. I'll see you around. Goodbye.